Hi, my name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make a poor man's pecan pie. If there's any other recipes you'd like to see me make, please leave in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. To start, let's make the pastry shell. In a bowl with 125 grams of flour, add in 25 grams of icing sugar and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix to incorporate all the ingredients. Next, grate in 60 grams of frozen butter. Once grated, rub the butter into the flour mixture with your hands. Add in 1 egg and mix until a soft dough forms. Roll the dough out between 2 pieces of baking paper. Place the dough into a pie tin and place into the freezer while making the filling. For the filling, add a half a cup of oats to half a cup of sugar, add in a quarter cup of coconut, and give it a good mix. Next, add in a quarter cup of golden syrup, 1 tablespoon melted butter, and 1 egg. Mix until well combined. Pour the filling into the pie shell and bake at 375 F or 180 C for 15 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 F or 160 C for 30 to 35 minutes. Allow to cool. Then cut into slices, add whipped cream on top, and enjoy. I hope you try to make this at home. Until next time, bye!